We have another milestone anniversary just around the corner. First Christian Church on Campbell Street is celebrating its 150th birthday on October 22nd. The day before, the church is reaching out to others with a community health fair at the church. Jessica Smith and Alan Rasmussen are here to tell us about it. Thank you so much for joining us today. So 150 years is a huge milestone. So before we get into the health fair, can you tell us what you guys are expecting to do on Sunday the 22nd and what type of memories will be made at the service?
We'll be celebrating our 150th anniversary. First church was built in 1867 in downtown Jackson at the corner of Main and Cumberland. And then that was replaced, that was just a wood frame building. In 1901 it was replaced with a brick building, and they were in that church from 1901 up till 1969 when we moved to our present location at Parkway and Campbell. So we've got a lot of years and a lot of good times to celebrate.
So can you tell me, how did you guys decide to hold a citywide health fair?
You don't get to be 150 years old without having some degree of health, and health is so important, and certainly health has been a big issue in politics in our nation, and it's a way that we can reach out and help those who really need to have their health needs met. And we want to be a conduit to making our community healthy. And so we thought, what a great way to give back to the community as we celebrate our 150th.
So Jessica, you are actually a nurse at the Jackson General. Can you tell us some of the things that will be experienced at this health fair? I'm actually a pharmacist, and the pharmacy is sponsoring the event from West Tennessee Healthcare. And we have worked with Union University Pharmacy School to have students available to go over patients' medications, and so we're encouraging patients or the community to bring their medications with them. You are going to bring the blood mobile from the Lifeline Blood Services. Tell us about that and some of the screening activities.
I felt like if we didn't do anything else for the community, if we were able to give blood, that's life itself, and the Bible says that the life is in the blood. And so we met our quota for people who have agreed to donate on that day, enough to get the Lifeline Blood Mobile there. So we're really excited to have all of those blood donations.
Yes, and you're also going to have some security and safety seminars. Can you give us a rundown on that?
Yes.
We have the Jackson Police Department and the Sheriff's Department will be there to talk about safety. They will have the simulator for the the DUI simulator there. And so I've never experienced that, so I'm looking forward to it.
Now, what about the kids? Alan, I've heard that you have some things planned for them. Can you tell us about that?
We've got some activities set for them. We've got, still have a jumper coming in for the kids, a dandy jumper. And we'll have activities for them, and then we'll be having some snacks and food on the premises during this time.
All right, so we have about 30 seconds left. Can you tell everyone where the church is located, the hours of the health fair on the 21st, and the time of the church service on October 22nd?
Okay, we're at the corner of Parkway and Campbell, and it will be, the health fair is from 10 to 2, and then our church service is at 10 o'clock on Sunday, the 22nd.
Right. Thank you so much. Coming up next, many Christian colleges and organizations went to court in recent years on a matter of religious liberty. The White House has just released new guidelines that affect those legal cases. Dr. Ben Mitchell will join us for Faith, Values, and Ethics right after these messages.